No.
Katerina. Katerina, you're having a nightmare. It's over now. No, it's over now.
Good. Oh,
Katerina?
I'm sorry, I'm all right.
What were you dreaming about?
Vivian, she, took Nikki away from me again, and she said that I would never see him again.
Katerina, nothing and no one's going to take Nikki away from us again. I promise you that. And you have to trust me on this. And once we tell Nikki the truth, Vivian will be out of our lives.
How could she do this to me? Damn her.
Katerina.
No, she took him away from me. I should have had my baby with me the whole time. She took him away. She robbed me of 8 years of his life. She pretended to be my friend. I asked her to be at my wedding.
Katerina, forget about Vivian. We know the truth now. We know it. And when the time is right, we'll tell Nikki. That's what we have to concentrate on, the future. Yes, we've lost 8 years with our son. But think of all the happy years we have ahead of us. That's what we have to hold on to, Katerina.
Oh, there's some tea.
Oh, I need something more than tea. I am starving.
Oh.
How about a tin of pâté?
You've got pâté?
And crackers. And they're still sealed. They must be fresh.
Oh, there's...
Oh, can you believe this? A bottle of Cabernet.
Somebody's gonna have to pick a cabin to get stranded in, don't we?
Well, we may starve to death, but we probably won't care. Here, let me get that. Oh. Oh, this looks good. Want some?
Yeah.
There you go.
Thanks.
Want some more?
Yeah.
What are you thinking about, Katerina?
I was just taking your advice. I was thinking about the future. Oh, everything it holds.
It holds a happy and beautiful future with our son.
I could just imagine doing things with them and taking them places and showing them new things.
What's the matter?
I just don't know who would think we're kidding. Vivian is not going to let him go. She's going to do everything in her power to turn him against me. I know that.
Well, she'll try. I'm not foolish enough to deny that, but she won't win. Katerina, we have the DNA test. They prove that Nikki's our son. And I'll contact this doctor in Paris, the one that lied to you. I told you Nikki died at birth. All the evidence is on our side. So you don't have to be afraid. Please, don't be afraid to dream. And dream about the future.
I feel like this is going to happen. I'm going to get my child back. Child I've been dreaming about for so long. Yeah, I know we have to take it slow. But I want to spend some time with him. At least. And I want to get him something really special for Christmas. I'm not sure what. I'm on a bicycle.
Beat you to it. I bought him one. It's out back in the guest house.
Oh.
I'm telling you. I cannot wait to see that little guy's face when he wakes up on Christmas morning and sees that bike under the tree.
Oh, God, he's gonna love that. I want to take him to see Santa Claus.
Oh, me too. Do you mind if I tag along?
I'm sure we can work something out.
I really don't want to spoil him.
Oh, please.
Oh, no, I don't.
You spoil him rotten.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. You buy him everything he wants. That's spoiling somebody rotten.
No, I don't buy him everything he wants.
You buy him everything he wants. I just think it's very important to make sure that he keeps a strong sense of values.
Well, that's one thing Vivian did do right. As heinous a thing as she did that right.
I'm just glad we agree on how to raise our son.
Katerina, we've got no other choice in the matter. We're in this together.
You folks all right here?
My van broke down. We were stranded here.
Yeah, I saw the van down by the road. Figured that might be the case.
Yeah.
Storm came up so sudden, a lot of folks got stranded.
Can you help us?
You bet. Got my tow truck, pull you right out.
Oh, good. You're a godsend. We really want to get out of here today, don't we, Lawrence?
Of course. Are you warm enough?
Yeah, thanks. You know, we'll be back in Salem pretty soon. I could drop you off at home.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'd like to see Nikki.
Well, he's probably in bed asleep.
I won't wake him. I promise you. I just want to see him. Will that be all right?
Just be careful. Don't tip Vivian off that you know the truth.
I won't. I won't. But I don't think we need to worry about that. At this time of night, she should be sound asleep.
What's Nikki doing down here? Let me find Yvonne and see what's going on.
Okay. Everyone has dreams, bad dreams. It was just a nightmare, that's all.
You do?
Yeah, I do. Do you want to talk about it?
I was fighting with Lisanne. I pushed her. I didn't mean to, but this time she died.
No, honey, that's just a dream. That's all it was, just a dream.
But I really did have a fight with her, right?
You what? You can tell me. It's okay.
No, I'm not supposed to talk about it.
Okay. But I think I know what's bothering you. You never really got a chance to talk to Lisanne before she died, did you? Never got a chance to say you're sorry. It's okay. She knew it. It's gonna be okay. You don't have to think about that anymore, ever again. Okay. Okay.
Hello, sport.
Oh, hey, Lawrence. I was waiting up for you. Guess I fell asleep.
Well, I'm home now. Yvonne will take you upstairs. I'll be up real soon.
Okay.
Lawrence, he had a dream that he killed Lisanne.
Oh, God.
If this dream upset him this much, I don't even want to think about what the truth would do to